Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn the Python basics. So I clicked on the Jupyter notebook in the Anaconda Navigator. Now we'll click on the new and then Python 3. This will open the new notebook dashboard. Okay, let it load. And then we will start coding in the cell and output under that cell. Okay, so here we have the title of the or the name of the new notebook as untitled one, so we will change it to Python basics. Okay, so let us write it down, Python basics. Okay, let me just remove this basics. Okay, so rename. So this is the name of your notebook now. Okay, so now we will write the code in this cell and then click on the run over here. Now we will start with the hello world, a string inside the print function. Whatever we wanna print, we have to use this print function. Okay, so as it is a string, we are writing it between the double quotes. Here it is hello world as the output. Now we have printed the string, that is a line or a sequence of characters. Okay, so whatever you wanna print, we have to use the print function, and as it is a string, we have to write it between the double quotes or single quotes. Okay, so here we wrote the hello world, that's why we have the output as hello world. Now let's have some more print statements. Okay, so I have written the two a number, so we got the output as 2. Now let us write some more print statements. We will have some expressions inside the print. Okay, so for example, first one, print 10 plus 2, so we have to get the output as 12. Okay, here it is. Now let us have the same print statement, but we will have the subtraction now. So 10 minus 2, so we have to get 8 now. So 8 print, let us say 10 star 2. For multiplication we have to use star, and for division we will use a slash. Okay, so print 10 slash 2. Okay, so let me just remove the f, print, because printf is in C. So now we have got 10 divided by 2 as 5.0. We have got the decimal value 2. So for only getting the integer value, we have to use double slash. Okay, now we will only get the 5 as an output. Okay, so here it is. Here we have the decimal value 2. So this is a float value and this is a integer value, that is 5 without the decimal. Okay. Now let us go to the variable part. Variable or identifier, these are the name given to a memory block where the value has to be stored. Okay, so let us write a comment first of all. So we will use the hash, then variables. Okay, so now we will have a new cell, then we will store a numeric value inside a. So a equals to 1, so 1 value is stored in a variable. Then b equals to 5, 5 value is stored in b variable. Print a star b. Now we have to get the product, which is 1 into 5, that is 5 only. Now let us change it. A equals to 11 and b equals to 15, so we got the answer as 385. But what if you wanna like print the product of these numbers are 385, or you wanna print it like product of 11 and 35 is 385, or you wanna like show it as 11 star 35 equals 385. So for that we will use the punctuator characters, that is comma, in the print only. Okay, so let us go ahead. So print product of a and b. Okay, so product of whatever you write in the double quotes is printed directly as it is. Okay, so product equals to, let us write it as a star b only. let me just store that product in another variable as c. Okay, so c equals to a star b. Now the product is stored in another variable as c. Okay, so here it is, the product equals 385. Because of this we only had to write the c. Okay, but what if we wanna write it as product of 11 and 35 is 385. So for that we will use the variable as a, b, and the result, the product, in the variable c. Okay, so because of this, whatever we write in the double quotes is printed as it is, and the value of the variable 11, 35, and 385 was printed. Okay, and one more thing, we can also store string inside the variables. Okay, so let's have an example of it. So let's have a variable as p, which will be having the value or the string as product, and then we will write the print variable p, that is product only. Okay, so let's copy this statement, and instead of product of in the double quotes, I'll only write the variable p. Okay, so here it is, I'll just remove that double quote. Okay, so the value of p is printed as product because we stored the string inside the variable p. Let's wrap it up here only. So in the next lecture we will see the iteration or looping statements like for, while. Okay, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it and also share it with your friends. We are starting from the core fundamentals, from the basics, and we will go till the advanced level. Okay, so see you all in the next video. Till then, study more, worry less, and bye bye.